ISO 22000 is a set of international standards that define the requirements for a food safety management system, FSMS. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, and provides a framework that helps organizations to identify and control food safety hazards. ISO 22000 enables organizations to implement effective food safety management systems and aims to ensure that food is safe to eat throughout the supply chain. ISO 22000 certification is a formal recognition that an organization has implemented an FSMS that complies with the ISO 22000 standard. Certification is performed by an external, independent organization, a certification body. ISO 22000 certification demonstrates a commitment to food safety. There are many benefits of ISO 22000 certification, including improved food safety performance, identification and control of food safety hazards, a stronger commitment to food safety, greater customer confidence and satisfaction, and enhanced business reputation and credibility. Any organization that supplies food products or ingredients can apply for ISO 22000 certification. This includes food manufacturers, restaurants, caterers, and food retail outlets. You can apply for ISO 22000 certification through EAS by making an inquiry at EAS Contact Us page. An application form will be given to fill out and submit. EAS will review the application and then send a quote. After the quote is accepted, EAS will proceed with the certification process. EAS will conduct audits to assess your organization's FSMS. Once the certification process is successfully completed, you will receive your certificate. There are many reasons to choose EAS, including that we are a globally recognized ISO certification and training body with a substantial experience of more than 20 years in the industry. We are accredited by JAS-ANS for ISO certification. We have a team of highly experienced and qualified auditors. We offer cost-effective certification and training solutions. We are dedicated to providing the best customer service. Contact EAS today for ISO 22000 certification. Visit our website at www.eascertification.com or send us an email at inquiry@eascertification.com. We are confident that we can provide you with the quality services you need to get certified.